Why do we struggle to resist scrolling social media or binge eating snacks? Our brains are wired to seek instant rewards, a survival mechanism from our ancestors who prioritized quick energy boosts. Today, this wiring clashes with modern temptations, creating a cycle of distraction and guilt. This video explores the neuroscience behind our vulnerability and how to reclaim control. Early humans survived by seeking high-calorie foods and immediate safety. Delayed gratification could mean starvation. The limbic system, governing these impulses, remains dominant in our brains today. However, in an era of abundant food and digital dopamine triggers, this ancient wiring becomes a liability rather than an advantage. Dopamine doesn't signal pleasure, it drives anticipation and motivation. When our ancestors found ripe fruit, dopamine reinforced the behavior. Today, social media likes or snack cravings exploit this same pathway. The unpredictability of these rewards, like slot machines, makes them even more addictive, trapping us in compulsive loops. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for long-term planning, often loses battles against the impulsive limbic system. fMRI studies show that instant rewards temporarily silence rational thought. Stress worsens this imbalance. When tired or anxious, we're 3x more likely to seek quick fixes, even if we know they're harmful. Social media platforms and junk food are engineered to exploit our reward systems. Like notifications use variable rewards. Sometimes you get 10 likes, sometimes 100, mirroring slot machine mechanics. This unpredictability triggers 3x more dopamine than predictable rewards, making disengagement feel physically uncomfortable. Every instant reward has a compounding cost. Procrastination reduces productivity by 40%, while impulse purchases account for 60% of unnecessary debt. Studies show people who resist short-term temptations report higher life satisfaction years later. Our brains discount future rewards, a phenomenon called hyperbolic discounting, making long-term goals feel less valuable. We can outsmart our wiring by pre-commitment, removing future temptations, e.g. app blockers, before they strike. Temptation bundling pairs guilty pleasures with productive acts, e.g. only watching Netflix while exercising. These methods reduce reliance on willpower by changing our environment first, a concept called choice architecture. Meet Sarah, a former social media addict who replaced 2 hours of daily scrolling with language learning. By using temptation bundling, only allowing Instagram after Duolingo lessons, and eliminating cues, grayscale phone screen, she retrained her dopamine responses. Brain scans show her prefrontal cortex activity increased by 27% in 6 months. Stanford's marshmallow experiment revealed environment trumps willpower. Kids resisted treats longer when given distraction tools. Similarly, adults succeed by designing temptation-free zones, e.g., keeping phones outside bedrooms. The key insight: our brains aren't flawed. We're fighting engineered temptations with prehistoric tools. Start small. Delete one addictive app, use grayscale mode to reduce visual rewards, or schedule guilt-free reward windows. These tweaks leverage neuroplasticity. Your brain adapts to new reward hierarchies. Remember, vulnerability to instant rewards isn't personal failure, it's biology. But with science-backed strategies, you can reclaim agency.